Welcome back to this video, guys. VST here at SPTech. I have the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and the Pixel 7a main stars of this video. And I want to show you something that I believe is very interesting. Of course, if you are a nerd. But if you're not a nerd and you want to see what makes nerd go, then you're more than welcome to watch this full video. And I'm going to present to you Octi. Alright guys, now let me try to give you a bit more context. As you can see on my Xiaomi 13 Ultra, guys, I apparently am getting information from my Pixel 7a, so I can check the battery level, I can check the connected network, and also see how many apps are installed. And if I am to move on my Pixel 7a, guys, yep, the same information is here. Now the question is, what is Octi and how can you make it work for you? So let's buckle up and start this. Octi is created by Darken, and this developer has some very nice tools like the SD Mate Pro, also the SD Mate 2, guys, and some other very nice things like the permission pilot, and I'm going to also cover them in another video. But now back to Octi, guys. What is Octi? It is a multi-device monitor. In case you wonder what early access means, this is it. So it's a brand new app that has been just released on the Play Store, guys. Now, some more information about what Octi can do, guys, because I do believe that this is a tool you might want to benefit from. So apparently it monitors and synchronizes information between multiple Android devices, hence explaining why I decided to start my video with these two beautiful phones here. Octi synchronizes information between multiple phones. Available information modules include the device and Android OS details, the battery status, the Wi-Fi connectivity, installed applications, and also more. And guys, I really like how elegant this is, because you might wonder, like, how is this all working? Where is this information stored? And apparently you can use a dedicated server, but you can also use Google Drive. So the Octi is open source, has no ads, and doesn't track you, which is really cool. And this is why I want to just show you what you can do with this. I now have this running on my both phones, and I show you in the beginning. This here is the Xiaomi, guys, and the first phone information, of course, is from the Xiaomi. 89% discharging slowly. We can see that's the correct information. I'm connected to my network. I can also check the status of the clipboard, and I can click even here, guys, and see the very same application I have installed on my phone. And one might think, well, yeah, I can use Google Family Link to do so, and that's kind of true, but in terms of controlling your child, or let's say supervising your child, that makes more sense. But this here really focuses on main things whatsoever device are concerned. Now this is the Pixel 7 information, 57%, okay, which is a bit not so accurate because right now I have it on 90. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm going to update information, right? I would just want to see if the information, boom, 90%, guys. So you see it works almost in real time. I can see also my Pixel connection to the Wi-Fi, and I can check the clipboard model, guys, and also click here and check all of the applications that are installed on my Pixel phone. And apparently I can do the same here with the Pixel phone. So right now, guys, the Pixel phone has the Pixel 7 information, that's clear, and then I can see the same info from the Xiaomi. Let's now explore the settings. The first thing we can do is General. So the general will give you information on the theme. You can of course choose dark light. Let's now choose the dark. So this is the dark one. Okay, I'm gonna keep the Xiaomi now in dark one. All right. The second thing, of course, that you can do is automatically submit bug reports or not. Okay, let me just bring it back to the system, which is the white one. Then, guys, you have also synchronizations, device label, so you can just change the device label, background synchronization, the sync interval in terms of minutes, so we can just go even trigger this any 15 minutes, guys. So all the time, every 15 minutes, boom, we're gonna get a sync, and the sync is gonna work also via mobile connection. From here, guys, this is very interesting. From the modules, you are able to load different modules. So the power module will give you information on battery charging estimates. Then this one will give you information on Wi-Fi. Then the apps module will give you info on the applications. And of course, the clipboard model will give you the option to copy and paste between devices. From the sync services, you can check the account that you are used to log on, also the last sync, the photo that you have, and also how many devices you have synced. And of course, you have the option to wipe them if you don't like them at all. Again, it's very simple, very elegant tool, guys. You can download it, test it for free, right? You can also even check the last application installed on those phones. I really think it's a great application. So go download, test it, and support the developer. And if you like content like this, guys, yeah, you know what to do. VST, over and bye.